Where do disappearing rivers actually go? Imagine watching a river flow smoothly across the landscape, then suddenly vanishing into the ground. It might seem like magic, but it's actually a natural process happening in many regions. Some rivers disappear because they flow over porous or fractured rocks, especially in areas called karst landscapes. These landscapes are made of limestone, which slowly dissolves over time, creating caves, sinkholes, and underground channels. When rain falls or surface water flows over this terrain, it can seep into these openings instead of continuing on the surface. In these areas, rivers often enter sinkholes or porous ground and travel underground. They can move through long underground tunnels, sometimes 4 miles, before reappearing at springs or joining other water bodies. For example, the Trebisnica River in Bosnia and Herzegovina flows underground for many miles before it reemerges. Rivers in the Dinaric Alps region also vanish into sinkholes and underground systems. In some cases, the water never comes back to the surface until it joins a larger underground aquifer or water system. In dry regions, rivers may disappear because they lose water through infiltration into the ground and evaporation into the air. Sometimes, they evaporate completely before reaching the ocean, forming inland deltas or drying up entirely. This process can be part of the natural water cycle, but it also impacts local ecosystems and water availability. From an ecosystem perspective, these underground rivers support unique habitats. Many cave-dwelling species depend on the water that flows beneath the surface. Protecting these watersheds is important because underground aquifers can be easily contaminated. Pollution from farms, factories, or urban areas can quickly seep into the underground systems, making water unsafe for people and wildlife. Managing these disappearing rivers involves understanding their underground pathways and monitoring water quality. Protecting the land around these areas helps prevent pollution from reaching underground water sources. It's also important to control land use and prevent overextraction of groundwater, which can lower water levels and harm ecosystems. So, when a river seems to vanish into thin air, it's actually flowing underground through a network of tunnels and aquifers. These hidden waterways are vital for maintaining water supplies, supporting ecosystems, and shaping the landscape. Recognizing how they work helps us protect these watersheds and ensure clean water for future generations.